Now let's learn the sound ah, which is short sound. This sound is a short vowel sound, mostly produced with the letter U, the sound ah, and also with other letters, also A and other letters. We can definitely learn how to produce and see this sound. This is a short sound, and to know how to make it is to open your mouth, but less than the one in R. I cannot open it R and I want to produce the sound ah. It's a shorter, like this ah, ah, ma, mother, 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 ah. Then we keep it short, shorter than R in father, mother. We don't say mother. When we say mother, the pronunciation is wrong because the sound is not long in the word R. But our jaw this time is not down, but it's relaxed, in a relaxed position. So we relax jaw position. Ah, ah. We produce this sound when we have the letter U. Bus, cup, run, study, son, uncle, and under. With OU, color, country, young. Ah, young. With the letter O, come, friend, London, Monday, month, mother, and nothing. Now, we don't say month or Monday. Monday, month, and nothing. We don't say nothing. The pronunciation nothing is wrong. It might lead you to another meaning. Now let's see how the sound are produced physically. Up, up, ah, 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 up, up, bus, bus. This is one of the easiest vowel sounds. It's a short vowel sound. English language sounds are inconsistent. They are the most difficult part of the language. It's just we have to learn them.